Certified. 2022 Nissan Rogue SV AWD Super Black Nissan Certified Pre-Owned Details, 7 years / 100,000 miles limited warranty, coverage for engine, transmission, transfer case, and drivetrain 167-point inspection to qualify vehicle history report fix or repair items that don't pass or meet CPO standards special APR financing for well-qualified buyers lube/oil/filter change tires and brakes 50% or more full exterior/interior appearance reconditioning courtesy transportation 24-hour roadside assistance Sirius XM trial subscription. Service performed by Sinclair Nissan. New oil filter and 5,000 mile synthetic oil change. BG Advanced Formula W/MOA stabilizes oil viscosity, sludge and varnish. BG Fuel System Cleaner restores vehicle performance and power. Winter Service Special, Fuel Injector Treatment. Fuel System Dryer and Coolant System Additive. Replaced air filter, replaced in-cabin microfilter helps with allergies. New wiper blades. Balance and rotate tires. 4-wheel computerized alignment optional equipment AWD. Heated driver and front passenger seats. Heated leather-wrapped steering wheel. Leatherette door trim inserts with stitch. Power liftgate. Power panoramic moonroof. Primatex leatherette seat trim. Rear door sunshades. Rear personal lights. Silver painted roof rails. SV Premium Package. KBB fair market range high. 8,049 odometer is 1,447 miles below market average 28/35 city/highway MPG.